Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. It's a lovely day in the east of the Netherlands. At this time of the year, when the nature comes into the transition from spring to summer, the world around looks like a living painting and can be a huge source of inspiration for any creative soul. My name is Xenia, and I'm a watercolor artist. And as an artist, I frequently get questions from the beginner creatives on what inspires me or where I find ideas for my paintings. These questions always bring a small secret smile to my face, since I can clearly remember myself wondering about the very same things for years, worrying but not finding answers. At the time, I was constantly staying in my head, mind cataloging ideas that were not good enough. It took me quite some time to realize that ideas are something I should not intentionally search for. They're everywhere. It's just a matter of perspective, really. A skill that anyone can develop to transform even the most routine activity like going to work, cooking dinner, or working in the garden into the process of learning and observing. In a way, it's like channeling inspiration from one activity to another. All I had to do to achieve it was to step back from my thoughts into the present and be aware of my surroundings that can teach us so much about the hues and shapes and all the tiny details that can only be visible if you look up close. And it's not just art or any kind of creative work we can get inspired for while building up connection with the present. Any aspect of life can be magically transformed into something more exciting. In my next videos on this channel, I will try to explore this process of channeling inspiration from one activity to another, and will share with you the chapters of my journey and the experience of admiring simple things and enjoy slow living. And for now, please make yourself a cup of tea, sit back, and enjoy the process of creating something adorably cute. I'm wishing you a lovely day and hope to see you soon again.